Hey, it's Chaz from Datumate. Today I'm going to show you 7 reports that are currently in DataBIM ready for you to use. Stay tuned.
Our first report is the cross-section volume report. Easily calculate cut and fill volumes by comparing your design surface with existing terrain. With regular drone flights and photogrammetry software, drone images are transformed into accurate 2D and 3D models, helping you monitor site conditions, track progress, and make smarter decisions faster. Reports can be generated to the bottom of the excavation and finish grade. Our second report is the Elevation Grid Heatmap report. This visual representation clearly shows the difference between the existing ground surface and your proposed design elevations. UAV or drone survey data is the gold standard for creating precise 3D models and elevation maps of construction sites. With color-coded maps, quickly identify areas needing grading and accurately calculate cut and fill volumes. Keep stakeholders in the loop with our third report, the Cross-Section Progress Report. This report allows users to track elevations automatically along the road, comparing data between flights and design models. By creating a digital twin of your site, you can identify deviations and take corrective action immediately. Ensure roads are built to spec with our fourth report, the Road Grade Checking Report. This report focuses on automatic cut-fill analysis between road stations. It assists users with generating cut and fill reports to plan earthwork operations effectively. Designed specifically for road projects, this report requires a road design file including the centerline and station marking. The focus of this report is comprehensive analysis and can provide the following: calculations of the vertical deviation from the design, calculations of horizontal deviation from the defined sections, and assessments of each station along the road for precise grade verification. Our fifth report helps you maintain quality and accuracy with surface grade checking. This report compares as-built surfaces to the design using cut-fill analysis. It applies to both roads and non-road areas, providing only elevation differences, not cut-fill volumes. Visualize grade deviations with color-coded heat maps to quickly identify areas needing attention. Share reports with stakeholders for collaborative decision-making and enhanced communication. Simplify earthwork analysis with our sixth report, the Volume Grid Heatmap report. This report delivers detailed cut and fill insights by comparing data between drone flights or between flights and your design or custom elevation models. The results are presented as an intuitive heat map, making it easy to visualize volume changes and optimize resource allocation. And lastly, ensure proper drainage and environmental compliance with our water flow report. This report does not provide numerical values, but allows users to understand water direction and acceleration. It's particularly useful for construction staging, like placing pumps, and design validation, like ensuring water flows as planned.
All right, if you liked everything that I had to show you in DataBIM in regards to our reporting, then you're going to like this a whole lot more. All of those reports that you just saw can be automated. So if you're interested in seeing a live demo, please go to datumate.com/demo and you can see all of these in a custom demo made just for you. Thanks for checking us out.